Okay, here's what you need to do to get yourself up and running in Chief Architect. Hit the Windows Start button, go to Computer, local disk C, which is the hard drive. Yours may look slightly different than mine. And you're going to go down to Users, double click on that. You may see some student names there or other things along this nature. I want you to click on New Folder. It may tell you need to be administrator or something like that. And then give it a name, probably your first name, last initial, something like that. So we'll pretend my name is John Smith. Or you can use your full name. Hit Create. And that's where you can store your stuff locally on the hard drive of this computer, which has tons of room. So if you store things to Teresa, you're going to run out in a hurry. And this program continues to store things on Teresa. So every now and then you're going to have to go back and delete the Chief Architect data file. Now I want you to go into Edit, Preferences. Now keep in mind, just because we're storing to the hard drive doesn't mean it's backed up. So you may want to bring in you can burn a CD, burn a DVD. The best bet's going to be to bring in a flash drive. You can store your projects on there. So go to Edit, Preferences, in Chief Architect, and then we're going to go to, there's something called Folders somewhere in here on the left-hand side. There it is. And what we're going to do is change our data folder. This probably says something about RJHS or Teresa on yours. What you want to do is click on Browse and change it so it says C :/users and then the name. So I'd click on C. Uh, you can close these triangles, then find Computer, local disk C. I'm going to scroll down to Users, and then click on the new folder you created. Now keep in mind other people have access to this. So it's storage, but it's not secure. And then if any of these don't reflect the hard drive, which is C, change those. And you can change them all so they reflect what you just created. And that'll make sure all your data is in one location. You just don't want anything on Teresa, anything on the network, because we have space limitations there. And then click OK, and you are set